Features of AI Connect. AI Connect is specially designed to create utility-based programs or draw graphics using Python programming language. AI Connect lets you create different types of activities that include graphic design. Beautiful designs that can be created simply by using block Python codes in AI Connect are as follows. Create various characters. Arrange different shapes and patterns. Draw and fill colors in multiple shapes or objects. Basic Python. AI Connect also introduces the coding language of Python to the new order. Python, being one of the most popular coding languages in the world, can be a great way to start learning advanced coding. Machine learning. Machine learning, ML, is a type of artificial intelligence or AI that allows software to become more accurate at predicting outcomes without being programmed. AI Real World. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the ability of a computer or a robot controlled by a computer to do tasks that are usually done by humans.